Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix access denied problem in Wi-Fi. So first step you need to do is to go into settings of your smartphone, go onto your Wi-Fi, and if you have seen that your denied issue, you simply need to check that whether you are using the right password or not. If you are using the right password, you simply need to check that if the Wi-Fi owner block you or not. If that person block you, you will see that issue, but if that person not block you, you will not see this issue. So here you can see once you solve that issue from here, but let's suppose if that person not block you and he not put any restriction on you, so that then you need to go back, and here you can see that your system, and you simply need to click on system update, and you need to update your smartphone. Once you update, you need to go back and restart your smartphone and try again, and hopefully your issue get resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.